Hello guys, so today I'm going to show our project which is smart DoorBell by using IoT. So you can see the camera over here with 5 megapixel and the button to press it, and we have already set up Raspberry Pi inside it. You can see here. So I'm using my mobile phone as an internet service. So that's Amit phone, that's my laptop, and Raspberry Pi, that's my Raspberry Pi. So I have already installed VNC server on the Raspberry Pi and VNC client on my laptop, so that I can monitor and control from over here. So I have already connected my IP address of Raspberry Pi. So once you connect, you don't have to worry about next times. So I'm going to connect. You can see. So this is my folder where I have organized everything. So all the folders goes to here, and this is my IoT notify where I have set up my email address and with message, and you can change from here as well. And this is the main bill with Pythons. I'm going to run this program now. I'm going to run this one. So now I'm going to press the button, and it's taking my picture. You can see over here program running, and it have already sent email. So I have already get my email. Someone is draw, and you can see my picture over here as well. Oh, it's loading. It's 2.7 meg. You can see my picture, which is blurry, and you can do these things again and again, and it keeps working. So this is how our project works, and thank you for watching.